Flavor is on point, guys. This is delicious. And it's juicy, soft, tender. Flavor is good. Perfect. Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious boneless chicken thigh recipe. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so here are the ingredients that I'll be using for today's recipe. Alright guys, so this is my boneless chicken thigh. It's already clean, washed, and I also removed the skin. Here I have my dry seasoning. I have some salt, white pepper powder, paprika, cajun seasoning, a little bit of jerk seasoning, and some turmeric powder. Here I have about a half a cup of water, soy sauce, and my extra virgin olive oil. Alright guys, so you want to go ahead and add your seasoning. Rub it in. Yes guys, so now you want to add your chicken. Yes guys, so you just want to sear your chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Once the first side is done, flip it over and repeat the same step. Alright guys, so now we're going to add our water. This is about a half cup of water. After you add your water guys, then you want to add your soy sauce. And we're just going to let this cook for about 3 more minutes. Yes guys, so this entire cooking process should take about 10 minutes, 9 to 10 minutes. This is what my chicken is looking like right now. It's nice and juicy. I'm just going to slice right through it and let you see how it is. Yes guys, so this is the finished product. It's looking so juicy right now. Can't wait to try it. Ooh. First bite. Wow. Flavor is on point, guys. This is delicious. And it's juicy, soft, tender. Flavor is good. Perfect. Wow. Yes, guys, so thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.